Hey everybody, I'm Dan Nash from Maverick. I'm a CRNA, one of the owners of Maverick. I've been a CRNA for about 30 years. I currently work at the Bone and Joint Hospital in Oklahoma City. I'm going to answer a few questions that some folks have sent in to Maverick. So Tony from Nebraska asked, how long did it take you to become proficient in blocks? Well, that's kind of an interesting question. That really depends on how often you do blocks. So blocks, like anything else, it's a repetition type thing. So it took me probably a couple of years to get completely proficient because I was working down in Texas in an anesthesia care team where I was allowed to do blocks fairly frequently. So I'd say I became proficient probably within the first year of doing them, but to be really proficient at something, you have to do it quite a few times. You have to do quite a few repetitions of it. So I would say if you're at a practice where you're doing blocks daily, it's probably going to take you several months to become proficient. If you're just doing a few blocks weekly, it may take up to a year to become proficient. That's one of the reasons that we suggest you come to a Maverick course, because in one weekend you're gonna get those repetitions. You're going to be working on pulsatile cadavers, which are pretty much close to live people. You're going to have an artery pulsating. It's going to show you the layout of the anatomy. You're going to be able to see the nerves. You're going to have that nerve as a target, and you'll be able to drive that needle right to the target. So within the weekend, you'll probably get 60 to 70 repetitions of doing ultrasound guided blocks. So that will help you with your proficiency. If that answers your question, it's very variable depending on how many blocks you're going to do, and repetition is the key.